Hello everybody, my name is Sharif Hani. I'm a member of Siemens Product Engineering team for custom design environment of Siemens L-Edit. In this video, I'm going to walk you through running Calibre RealTime Custom interactively from L-Edit. In this design, we have a comparator loaded inside L-Edit, and in order to start Calibre RealTime, you can right-click and select Enable Calibre RealTime toolbar, or you can go to Tools and then Calibre RealTime, and you start Real-Time Server. Once it starts, you can open the Calibre RealTime menu where you select the configuration name, add your foundry rule deck. You can set some settings, and then we start using the tool. In this tool, we will run the DRC of the pre-selected configuration on the whole cell and simply click the Run DRC button. You can see that this is covering many layers. This drop-down menu shows you all the violations. To focus on a few layers, there are user-defined recipes that can be added here. Instead of running all the checks, we can focus on a recipe, for example, running front end of line and a few metal layers. Now, once we run this recipe, you would see that the number of violations has significantly decreased. There is another view where you can enable this RVE window, results viewing environment from Calibre, where you can see the violations and the description. So in order to start debugging this, it's on Metal 1 and Via 1. So we can go to the design environment, we can select Metal 1, control and middle mouse button. This will toggle the visibility. Then we can also enable Via 1, and you can see there is a violation over here. We can also go to the RVE window and do the same thing by right click and highlight the errors. If we try to start fixing this, we can enable the DRD mode or DRC on edit, and by interactively moving this edge, you can see that it continue to evaluate the fix as we go, all the way until we say, okay, is it enough? No, it's not. We will do it one more time. So we'll hover towards the edge. We can move the edge again all the way, and you can see that number of violations dropped from 8 to 4. We can now switch to the other set of violations. It's over here. So similar kind of violation. So this time we'll move it in one shot and hopefully it will fix it. There is one remaining issue, which is Via 1 enclosure by Metal 2. So we might need to enable Metal 2 here. It has two colors as seen, and in this case, you would see that the via size has an issue and it's extending beyond Metal 2. So we can go and select the via, and once it evaluates, you can see it's now completely clear. Thank you.